Hey everybody, and welcome to the Quadcopter Review. I'm your host, Pepe Prawns, and as always, I'm going to ask you to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Subscribing helps us grow, liking, commenting helps us here on the YouTube search engine. Also, don't forget to look up here right now for the latest giveaways going on the channel. So today, what we're looking at, guys, and if you don't want to see it, spoiler alert, we're looking at the Drone Drop 2 to 3 inch mystery micro kit. Now I've got mine in. Like I said, I'm going to show you everything inside, and then we're going to do a part 2 video for the build of this. Now, Drone Drop is a company of several companies that do this. They'll send you a monthly delivery of quadcopter parts, usually 5 inch, but on occasion they do these mystery boxes of the smaller quads because they don't have any real small quad boxes for the monthly subscription yet. If you're interested in a subscription, make sure you look down below for the links. So the first thing we have in the box is we have a FLYCOLor S-Tower F4. This is a full tower. It's got the flight controller and it has the ESC on it. So it's a 20 amp ESC, 2 to 4S, and it has an F4 flight controller on there as well. We're also getting a TBS little CCD camera. This is a 600 TVL CCD camera. And we also are getting these 3B, that's B as in boy, 3B hobby motors, and these are 1105 6000 kV motors, and these are similar to what's on the new 85X in the way of a motor size. So a little small, but you know, comes in 2 boxes. We'll see how they perform when they build this up. Now we also get these Gemfan Flash 2.5 props, and so these are the 2540s, so that's telling us right away that this is a 2.5 inch quad. So now we know we're somewhere between 2 and 3. And we got the Team Black Sheep. This is the NANO Pro. So this is the UNIFY NANO Pro, and again, you know, TBS UNIFY, everybody knows that. It's quality little VTX. And we've got the frame. So this frame looks much like the frog frame. Let's shake this down here. So the brand on this is a Flysmart. So Flysmart is the maker of that. Now that's a little hobby shop in China is what Flysmart is. And it's got kind of this odd little setup where the back arms go a little bit like a Stretch X and the front are fully out. So it's kind of a hybrid little drone, and also there's a mount in there to mount sideways for your receiver, which you do not get a receiver in this. So let's go ahead here, reorganize our stuff, and take a look at the parts one by one and talk pricing. The first thing we have is the Flysmart HD98, that's $21.40. The next thing we have is the 3B hobby motors. We get 2 boxes of those, $16.99 each. We have the TBS camera, and that comes in at $18.95. The stack is $49.95. The props are $3.69. And the mini UNIFY is $19.95. So that gives us $149.92 as our total. I paid $119 for it, so as you can see, we're getting about $27 of value over the top of my price, which is, you know, what these guys do. They basically go buy in bulk, they get everything you need for a build, put it all together, and save us a few dollars on it. You know, the negative side is if you don't like what they send you, you know, you're kind of out of luck, but that's how these boxes work. So, Drone Drop, Quad Box, both of them the same thing. Monthly subscriptions usually for 5 inch parts, and you get props every time, so you always need those, but some of the other things you just don't know if you're going to need. But they often do these mystery kits, which is pretty much a full quad every time. So this is the first one I've done by Drone Drop. I've done Quadbox stuff, and Quadbox has another 3 inch coming out, $200 for their kit. They say it's a frame we've never seen before, so that's interesting. But once again, these are the parts that came in this particular box. I'm going to make a second video where we actually are going to build this up using all these parts you see in front of you, and we'll go ahead and put that together and see how this little guy performs. I'll run FR Sky on mine. I don't know, we'll see. That's pretty much what my video is going to show you, is where to solder for FR Sky. But if you're interested in Drone Drop or any of these packages, this one's done, but you can pay attention for these kind of mystery boxes in the future. But anything you're interested in here, look down below. Happy flying. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe and happy flying.